Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can select screen refresh rate of this OPPO. Begin by opening Settings. In them you need to scroll down and choose Display and Brightness. Now scroll down again, tap on Screen Refresh Rate and select the best option for you, in my case High. So now when I click on the back button, as you can see, refresh rate of my OPPO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!